How to add video in Wix website. So basically, you can do that from your computer and from your phone. So it's the same process. You're gonna have to go to Wix. Now, I suggest you to use your computer because it's better and more easily to navigate on Wix, but you can do this on your mobile phone too. So simply click on Add Elements, then you should go to Video and Music, and as you can see here, you can upload your custom video, or if you want, you can add the video from YouTube or other platforms. But I'm gonna choose video upload. So here you can simply place it wherever you want on your website, then click on change video, and you can simply upload it from your computer. Now you can select to autoplay this, so basically when someone goes to that page, it's gonna autoplay, or you can play, and you can also play it in a loop. So you can choose between these two. Now if you want, you can add a description, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.